Today we are going to study about the echo, and then we will solve some numericals related to the echo. Sound waves heard after reflection is known as echo. You have observed in your daily life that in an empty room produces a lot of echo. In an empty room, if you say something, then after few seconds you will hear your sound again, because in an empty room there is no sound absorbing material like carpet, curtain and foams. So if you say something and the sound waves strikes any rigid surface in front of you and reflect back, and you hear the sound again, it means the echo is produced. And in the echo, the sound covers double the distance. The sound covered double the distance. Therefore, in the formula you have read in the kinematics, S is equal to Vt. But in the echo, since sound covers double the distance, so the formula becomes 2S is equal to Vt. 2S is equal to Vt. S means the distance covered by the sound waves, V means velocity of sound waves, and T means the time during which the sound waves covers double the distance. Now let's solve numerical 11.5. A marine survey ship sends a sound wave straight to the seabed. Okay, this is a marine survey ship and it sends a sound wave straight to the seabed. Okay, and the sound wave reflects back and it detects an echo. 1.5 seconds later, the speed of sound in seawater is 1500 meters per second. Find the depth of the sea. Here we have time which is equal to 1.5 second, speed which is equal to 1500 meters per second, and we have to find the distance or the depth. Now let's solve the numerical. We will apply the formula. Since this numerical is related to the echo, so we will apply the formula 2S is equal to Vt, S is equal to Vt upon 2, and in the third step we will put the value of V and T. So finally we will get the result which is 1125 meter. Now let's solve numerical 11.6. A student clapped his hands near the cliff and heard the echo after 5 seconds. What is the distance of the cliff from the student if the speed of the sound is taken as 346 meter per second? So here we have speed 346 meter per second, time 5 seconds, and we have to find the distance. So this numerical is also related to the echo. Therefore, we will apply the formula 2S is equal to Vt. Now we will apply the formula 2S is equal to Vt, S is equal to Vt upon 2. Now in the third step, we will put the value of V and T, and we will get the result which is S is equal to 865 meter. Okay, we will get the result 865. S is equal to 865 meter. Now let's see numerical 11.7. A ship sends out ultrasound that returns from the seabed and is detected after 3.42 seconds. So these first two lines shows that this numerical is related to echo. because the reflection occurs. Sound reflects back, sound returns. This means this numerical is also related to the echo. So here we have time t is equal to 3.42 second. Speed of ultrasound in seawater is 1531 meter per second, and we have to find the distance. Okay, therefore we will apply the formula 2s is equal to Vt and s is equal to Vt upon 2. Okay, now in the third step we will put the value s is equal to 1531 multiply 3.42 divide by 2. Okay, and finally we will get the result, which is 2618. Okay, 1531 multiply 3.42 divide by 2, we will get the result 2618, or it is the depth of the sea. Now let's see numerical 11.8. A man is standing in front of a cliff, claps its hands. It detects an echo 5 seconds later. If the speed of sound in air is 330 meter per second, then find the distance of the man from the cliff. Here there is a cliff and a man is standing in front of the cliff and claps his hand. Okay, and due to the clapping, the echo is produced. Sound wave reflect back. After striking with the cliff, the sound waves reflect back from the cliff and the echo is produced after 5 seconds. So here we have time which is equal to 5 seconds, speed of sound which is equal to 330, and we have to find the distance from the man to the cliff. Now we will apply the formula 2s is equal to Vt and s is equal to Vt upon 2. So s is equal to 330 multiply 5 divide by 2. Okay, and finally we will get the result, which is 8. Finally we will get the result, which is 825 meter. Okay, first of all we will apply the formula 2s is equal to Vt and s is equal to Vt upon 2. In the third step we will put the value of V and T, 330 multiply 5 divided by 2, and finally we will get the result, which is s is equal to 825 meter. Okay, thank you very much.